In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enroll or unenroll from Coursera courses. Whether you're looking to start a new learning journey or need to leave a course you've already started, this guide will walk you through each step clearly and concisely. First, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in Coursera and hit Enter. You'll see the main homepage of Coursera pop up in the search results. Click on that link to head to the Coursera website. Once you're on the website, the next step is logging in. If you already have an account, use your credentials to log in by entering your email and password at the top right of the screen. If you're new, you'll want to create an account by following the simple registration process. Now, once you're logged in, you're set to enroll in a course. To do this, go to the search bar or browse through the courses available on the platform. There's a wide range of subjects offered, so take your time to explore. When you find one that piques your interest, click on the course title. This will take you to the course details page, which provides all the information you need, like course content, instructor details, and reviews from past learners. At the course details page, you'll want to locate the Enroll button. It's usually prominently displayed so you can't miss it. Click on it to proceed. You might be prompted to select your type of enrollment. Coursera often offers both free and paid options. Choose whichever suits your needs best, and follow the on-screen prompts to complete the enrollment process. This usually involves a few steps, so be sure to go through each one carefully to make sure your enrollment is successful. Alright, so let's say you've been taking a course, and for some reason, you need to unenroll. No worries, that's a simple process too. First, navigate to either My Learning or My Courses, depending on what it's labeled on your screen. This section holds all your active courses. Find the course you want to leave. Once you have it in view, you'll notice 3 little dots next to the course title. Click on these dots to reveal a drop-down menu with options. In this menu, you'll see Unenroll from Course as one of the choices. Select this option. After that, a pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm your decision to unenroll. It's a simple confirmation step. Click Unenroll on the pop-up window and you'll be officially unenrolled from the course. That's it. You're done. The processes are straightforward, but do take the time to ensure you're following each step carefully to avoid any complications. It's always a good idea to double-check your selections, especially when unenrolling, in case you change your mind or need to re-enroll later. I hope this guide helps you manage your Coursera courses with ease. Happy learning!